Good afternoon, learners. This is our last session of Geometry of Straight Lines. My name is Alice Maputsi. So, as you can see in the diagram, we have to calculate the sizes of A and B, and we have to provide reasons. So, in the diagram, we have RS parallel to TU. So now, let's check how are we going to determine the size of A. As you can see on my diagram, I have highlighted the two angles A and 95. What kind of angles are those? Okay, as we are told that in the question, RS is parallel to TU. Now we can see that A is corresponding to 95, as you can see by the color here. So we know that the corresponding angles on a parallel lines are equal. So we can write it as A equals to 95. Because we were asked to provide reasons, then we are saying because they are corresponding angles and we must always indicate the parallel lines. So in this case, RS is parallel to TU. So now we go to the second question where we have to determine the size of B. So we are also told that in this question RS is parallel to TU, and we can see again that B is alternating or alternates with 110-degree angle. So as you can see a Z shape, can you see a Z shape? And can you see the highlighted angles B and 110? They form a Z shape. So now we know that alternate angles on a parallel lines are equal. So we can write it as B equals to 110 degrees. So the reason for that will be alternate angles. And we always have to indicate the parallel lines saying that RS is parallel to TU. So now we have another diagram, and in this diagram below, PQ is parallel to RS. Look at PQ is parallel to RS. And we are to determine the size of X, given reasons for each and every answer we are providing. So now, look at the highlighted figure, the highlighted parts of the figure. 3x minus 90 at Q, and 40 and x at vertex R. So as you can see, angle R and angle Q, they form a Z shape. Look at the Z shape. Okay, so now that simply means that angle R, the whole of angle R and angle Q are equal. So now we're going to say, to create an equation, we're going to say 3x minus 90 equals to x plus 40. So the reason for that will be alternate angles are equal because of PQ is parallel to RS. Then from there, we are going to collect the like terms. Then we have to transpose x to the left and 90 to the right. So 90 to the right will become plus 90 and x to the left will become negative x. So as we simplify, the x value will be equals to 65 degrees. So now we have another figure here. So in this figure, we are told in the question that JK, look at JK, is parallel to LM. So we have enough information now to use co-interior angles. So now, because we want to calculate x, as you can see, the two x's, 60 and x, as well as 2x minus 50, they are between the parallel lines. They form a U shape. So we know that those that form a U shape, we call them co-interior angles, and they are not equal, but they add up to 180 degrees. So now for us to create the equation, this is what we have. 2x minus 50 plus x plus 65 will be equals to 180 degrees. The reason for that, as they are within the parallel lines, we call them co-interior angles because JK is given to be parallel to LM. Then from there we have to collect the like terms. 2x plus x will give us 3x. Negative 50 plus 65 will give us 15. Then because we want to solve the value of x, then we have to transpose 15 to the right, so it will reduce 180 to be 165. Then because we want x not 3x, we are going to divide on both sides by 3. So finally the x value will be equals to 55 degrees. Thank you very much, learners. We have come to the end of the session. So I'm going to leave you with the quiz, the link for the quiz, as well as the QR code for the quiz. Thank you very much and good luck when you do geometry of straight lines during the exams. Thank you very much.